Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, VLAN Operation and Configuration. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building and managing enterprise networks and teaching people about them. VLANs are used in nearly every medium and large size business, and if you're providing networking to a data center, you will definitely use VLANs to separate out different broadcast domains to allow for an efficient, secure, and cost-effective network. Understanding VLAN and VLAN trunk operation is a critical component of being a network engineer, and understanding these concepts will lead one to success on the CCNA exam. Some of the major topics we'll include in this course are VLAN basics, VLAN trunking, inter-VLAN routing, and the Layer 3 switch. By the end of this course, you'll know how to segment a network with a single switch using VLANs, as well as learn how to route traffic in between them. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Ethernet and Ethernet switching, an understanding of ARP operation, and to know the basics of IP routing. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into the rest of the CCNA training series. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn VLANs and VLAN trunking with the VLAN Operation and Configuration course at Pluralsight.